Yeah. Yeah.
Esoteric beats.
Hey. Get to know Christ the King, don't be kingdom. Up your knowledge, start working in the kingdom. Jesus is a force, the real Air Force. Get saved or get burned in eternal torch. I call this urban praise. This for the boys on the block with the Glocks that chop. Y'all can change your ways, y'all can give him praise. Whatever sin you committed and redid it, he'll forgive it. Just kneel and pray. This for my girls too. Turn from your sin to being classy. Christian women ready to battle too. We need you guys making his final call. The King of Kings, Lord of Lords wants to save us all. Yeah. Hey man, ain't nothing cool about that street life. Yeah. Hey, I got 2 cousins deported over selling that cocaine, man. Hey, shout to P-Lou, Dread. Hey, I know y'all support me, man. Hey, I'm doing it for Christ this time. Titusville, stand up. Urban praise, man. Urban praise.